Welcome to our channel The Child. Today I am going to show an arithmetic activity. Today we are going to cook a story around multiplication. Okay, so earlier we have released two videos, one based on addition and subtraction, and today we are here for multiplication. You can invite neighborhood children or family members. Here we have our favorite Ramasamy Tata, Hulk and Janaki Party. For this activity we need 4 cards and few small toys. Kept it in a box. So ask the children or keep the dolls in a circular fashion. Now let's start the presentation. Hello Janaki Party, Ramasamy Tata and Hulk. I am going to say a number softly in your ears. Okay? I am going to whisper in your ears. So you have to listen carefully. Okay? On listening to that number, you have to say back to me. Okay? You have to say the number only in my ears. Will you? Okay. First, let me go to Janaki Party and say the number in her ears. So I am going to whisper in her ears. Okay. I told a number in her ears. I whispered a number. Now I am going to ask her what is that number I told her secretly. Yes, you're right. Now I am going to ask Ramasamy Tata to listen carefully and I am going to whisper a number in his ears. Ramasamy Tata, listen to me carefully, okay? And I whispered a number. Tata, can you tell me the number back? Can you whisper in my ears? Okay, yes, he did. Now let me go to Hulk. Hulk, please listen to me carefully, okay? So I whispered that number in his ears and he told me back the right number. Now I'm going to say, now each one of you can come and pick a card, okay, which I have kept here. And write that number and keep it with you. I repeat, each one of you can come and take one card from here and write that number, okay, and keep it close to you. Don't show it to anyone. So, Janaki Party has taken one card. Tata has taken one card and Hulk has taken one card. Now pick that card and write that number which I whispered in your ears. So each one has taken one pen and they have written. Okay. Let them have pens, okay, or color pencils or even sketch pen. Have you all written that number which I have told secretly in your ears? They are all saying yes. Now come and get the same quantity from toys. Okay? One by one you can come and take the same quantity and keep it secretly with you. Okay? So each one is coming and without showing to anybody, they are taking that quantity and going and keeping it in their place secretly. They have to come and take the quantity, the same quantity which I whispered in their ears. Now it's Hulk turn. They are coming and taking the quantities and keeping it very secretly. Now I am going to ask them to come and show the card. You can come one by one and show me the cards. Now it's the time to disclose. First, Janaki Party is coming up. Yes. Oh, the number I told you in your ears is 3, isn't it? Okay. Now let's call Tata. What is that you have taken? Oh, you have also taken 3, isn't it? Hulk, what is the number I told you? Oh, Hulk also got the same number. Nice. Now come and keep all the quantities, the toys which you have taken. Now one by one they are coming and showing the quantities which they have taken. How many do we have? If the child is able to say, fine. If otherwise, we can say, shall we count and find out? Okay. Now, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let me show that in card. You can write and show this number. Now ask all the 3 dolls, how many times have we taken number 3? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So we have taken the same quantity. We have taken number 3 times. So when we take the same quantity and put them together, we call it multiplication. Okay? I repeat, when we take the same quantity and put them together, we call it multiplication. Okay? Also, you can tell the difference of addition and multiplication also. Addition, put together. Okay? Here, we are taking the same quantity every time and we put them together. Okay, so that is the difference. So here we have taken the same quantity, which is number 3 times. Okay, we can also show how to write this. 3 multiplied by 3. And also we can introduce the multiplicand, multiplier, and the answer is product. Whenever you are introducing a new term, also introduce the etymology of that term. That is another tip. So I repeat, what is multiplication? When we take the same quantity and put them together, we call it multiplication. Right? So I have taken with the like single digit number, right? I'm doing only with the units. Not necessary to take units like this or a single digit number. If the child is already introduced to decimal system, you can also ask the child. Anyway, you are going to give a paper or card and going to write, right? Then for the quantity, you need not use it also, because if the child is already introduced to decimal system, then not necessary to have the quantity. Just you can ask the child. To one child you say 1000, to other child also you say 1000, and let them write, and then let them put all the cards together and you write and show 1000 we have taken 3 times and the product is 3000. So you can always improvise a concept. So I hope this video is useful for you. If you like it, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.